activities are there, why they are important. Now let us see what different innovative tools, techniques, active we can use in our teaching learning process so that our learning outcome can be enhanced. So I welcome you, all of you, in my second session. Now let us see what can be the content of this session. Content is there first. I'm talking about the content. Second, I will talk on the objectives. Then we'll see what can be outcome of this session. Then I will start introducing the topic and then meaning and importance. Why inventory of tools and technique is important. Because we are already doing teaching so many years, and why do we have to see different tools and techniques. Then revising session 1, today's morning session, we will revise for inventory of instruction tools and techniques, because already I told you that you pen down what tools and techniques I am using, so that I think you might have done. If you have not written, just start writing down. And then we will see what inventory of tools and techniques and methodologies we can add in our morning session. Because this is cumulative lessons, 4 sessions are mapped with each other. So let us just go on enhancing morning tools and techniques with this today's session. And then tomorrow we'll see how we can use that in by doing effective planning. And then what can be takeaway from this session. So let us watch this video and just try to comment what you have observed in this video. Okay, you can use chat box, or you can send me voice reply. You can send me picture reply, what you have noted down on your page. So I am expecting your creative responses. So now please think how your response can reach to me, either in picture form, either in video form, either in audio form. I'm not expecting chat box, but if you are not able to do, at least use chat box, but respond it. Okay, watch this video. It's not very important.
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
What you observed in this video? What you observed in this video? I want your reflection. I want your response in a creative way, either in picture form, either in video form, either in your audio form, or whatever you have written on your page. So participant, I am opening now chat box. At least you should give me response on chat box, if not by video audio. Every topic with different type of activity. Okay, activities that motivate the students. Okay, learning is playing active, learner is playing active role. Okay, good. Interactive and participation in class. Very good, Josu. I think it's from out of India, Josu. Swati Thete. Okay, yes. What? Yes. Just try to give what you observed in the video. I want reflection. I want response in a creative way, because we are learning different tools and techniques. If we will not use, then what is the use of learning different tools and techniques? I don't want to give theoretical session. I want to make you implement that. Start implementing now only, because tomorrow never come. Enthusiastic participate, yes, but you all are responding me with only chat box. So you are using chat box, which is not new. In morning we saw the responses from chat box. Now I will request you stop chat box. Now think creatively to use different tool to give me response. Okay, think it. Unless and until you don't think, you can't implement it in an innovative way. Stop. to give me your response in a video form. I show you video, you show me video. I gave you audio, you give me audio. We will not unmute you. We will not unmute you. Your voice, your picture, your video, your audio, you have to make it reach to me. You use different tool. Use active tool. Chat box, we have to go and see. Also, we have used it. Now we are learning. We want inventory. Inventory means just detail list. We want to make in this session detail list of what tools we can use in teaching learning. What techniques, methodology we can use. 48 participants are there. Not anyone can think how to give it in a creative way. Okay, I will give some time. I will go ahead. Okay. You can think for some time. 5 minutes I'll give and just try to make your response. Okay. I got one response. It's from Dr. Vidya Patil madam, and the response is every topic with different activity. You might have listened some sound on my mobile. She responded me on WhatsApp. Okay, madam, thank you. So one response I got it. So you have heard some sound. Okay. So she, Dr. Vidya Patil, responded on WhatsApp. Now that was creative response. So what we can say, the response was in creative way, WhatsApp. So we have learned now to have the blending of Zoom, blending of online session with video. Okay. One more response has come now from Mr. Vijay Koyal. Okay, very nice. He got a picture. He has, I can't show you picture, but he has written on that picture thinking in a different way and imaginative. Okay. I can post this feedback on our speaker group. So you can see later on how he could respond it in a very good way. He posted me on personal number, but you could have posted me in my speakers group WhatsApp, which I made, and that was my intention also. So here now no responses, please, no response. Try to listen. Now here we learn how we can make engagement of our student. Suppose we are taking online, because I am taking our latest tool, I am telling you. Online technology, online lectures we are taking. And you know that now online lectures are more attended by just login and not the physical attendance. And we want to ensure how students are attending that. So if we want to ensure this, we can check it from the WhatsApp, because we will get response of, now please don't give response. Please don't give response. It causes distraction now. So if students will give response from the WhatsApp, then it will come to the students group also. We can see who has responded with the name, and that can be physical attendance of the lecture also. Not only that, but it is creative response. It is a blending of WhatsApp plus Zoom, where I can increasing engagement of the participant. Here I am taking this first because I want to capture your interest to the topic. I want to just warm. They are saying warm up. So I am making you warm up, because just you might have taken lunch and you might have joined. So warm up and taking your interest to the topic, and also increasing your attention, making it more dynamic or active way. So let us see the objective. So at the end of this session, we will be able to recall what you learn in first session, because always whenever we start second session, we must recall our previous session. So recalling is very important, where I have focused head. Then my objective is you will be able to know how to implement your learning. So our learning we must implement. So we are learning creative tools, techniques, methodology. So we must able to implement. That is the intention, not only knowing, learning, but implementing. Then create inventory of tools and techniques. So that is what it was informed in the last session. And now, my dear participant, you start doing, make a list of tools, techniques. Make 3 columns, simple way. 1 column for tools, 2nd column for techniques, 3rd column for methodology. Or you can just do memory map in a very creative way, pictorial way. That way you can do start, because that I will ask you at the end, and that best gift will be there for one best response. So try to make the list on your paper. So create inventory, that will be inventory, list of tools and techniques. Hand, I am making involvement of hand. Then create outcome based instruction plan, because this session is mapped with the earlier and tomorrow's first session will be making outcome based instruction plan. We'll see how we can plan our teaching and instruction delivery and lesson delivery. So that way you will be able to create change behavior. See, now my objective is not only session limited. My objective is changing behavior, values, attitude towards outcome based education. That is why I am just making something to learn you also. I am interested to change behavior, values, attitude, my also and yours also. So, and appreciate need of transformation. I am appreciating your responses. I am appreciating need of transformations. Means heart level, I am focusing to work. Then plan activities which can be used for improving learning outcome and upgrading ourselves. So hand. So here hand, head and heart is involved. So you must learn how to frame objectives. You must learn how session can be started. That is also I am giving demonstration. First I did warm up. First I made you to catch your interest to the topic. Then I am telling objectives. Then I will tell you outcome, and then I will introduce the topic. I have not yet started introducing the topic, because unless and until you don't know what we are going to learn from this session, what is the use of having introduction? You will be listen it in a passive way. If I will tell you outcome, what you will get benefit, then only you will be interested to listen introduction and other things. So these are objectives. Now here I have told you in the morning also, let us consider this simple teaching plan, but you can also think in a creative way, what can be our teaching plan. So that will be also a good gift for the best teaching plan structure. Here simple structure I told you, activity, topic, subtopics, means CO if I am framing CO1, CO2, CO4, then tools, techniques, methodology. Because by today we will be able to know this. Tomorrow we will do the teaching plan, and in afternoon tomorrow we will see how we can get it implemented from our students, because our students only are giving us the outcome. So that way I will request you to consider innovative structure of this teaching plan also. That is the objective. Now what can be outcome of this session? Outcome will be generate and implement inventory. Inventory means I told you in a simple way, list. So list you will able to generate and implement, not only generate, but you will implement in your teaching also. Not only teaching, you can be a good speaker, workshop speaker, or you can be a good FDP speaker. That can be also objective, because after attending my session, I do think that you have motivated from farmhouse also. Because in my earlier session, many talk, madam, you generated the dream of building farmhouse in us. That was also my interest of taking vision of a farmhouse, something related to personal. So with this, you will be also, I think you will able to feel, or just thirst will be created in you to be a good speaker or a good, you can say, teacher also. So implementing instructional tools, techniques and material, all you will implement. Then instruction plan, you will be able to create instruction plan, content and guidelines. So not only this list inventory, but instruction plan also you will think now. From today's session itself, you will be able to generate instruction plan. Then tomorrow will be more enhancement in depth and breadth. Then lesson plan, you will be able to also create lesson plan for enhancing learning outcome, because I am telling you side by side how one session can be taken. First tell outcome, objectives, and then introduce introduction. First give the warm up. Like that I am telling you. So lesson plan also you will be able to generate in a effective way. And ultimate, my objective is higher dimension objective I am keeping. You will be able to transform from teacher to facilitator, because teacher is only one way, one dimensional. One dimensional means only knowledge transfer. One dimensional means only speaker will speak, only teacher will speak. Where when I am saying facilitator, the teacher will, no annotation, please. Annotation. I will find out now who had made this annotation, and just I will tell organizer to take action against you. We are learning values also, behavior also. So please don't disturb. So lesson plan for enhancing learning outcome and facilitator. Facilitator means teacher has to generate teacher, speaker has to generate speaker. So that way facilitator, we are facilitator for the students. Whatever we need to give learning for the students, students should able to create learning themselves, self-learning. So introduction, inventory of tools and techniques for outcome-based education. I am now introducing the topic. What is inventory? Inventory, it is a complete list of items. So I already told complete list of items. Then why I not said the list? Because students are our product. Inventory is organism, industrial word, means business word. And students are our product. And we are just focusing on increasing the outcome, learning outcome of our product. So I purposefully use inventory. So it's a complete list of items, or you can say in depth. Tools, what are the tools? It is the object which helps to make classroom instruction more effective. We use chalk and board, that is tool. Now I am using Zoom for the online teaching or online session. So that is the tool. So tool, what tool is doing? It makes the classroom instruction more effective. Suppose if I will not use Zoom, then what can be there? I can just take this session by phone call. But by using Zoom, I am able to share my PPT. So more effective tool for more effective. Now, what is techniques? Technique is a way of carrying out a particular task. Okay, you will also deliver. Another person will also deliver. But in a what way I am delivering? It's my own technique. So technique is a way of carrying out a particular task. Zoom is that tool. PPT is also same. But if some another person will take this session, he or she will take in a different way. So what way I am taking is the technique, way of carrying particular task. So now you will generate this inventory. Now what is the importance? Why we have to create now inventory? We are teaching since so many years. Why we should see for the another tools, techniques? So important is how can I present this information in a learner center way? When I will think I want to take a session in workshop, what I should think, how can I present this information in a learner center way, means your way, listeners way, not my way. Otherwise I will come, I will talk 1.5 hours, 2 hours, I will go. Whatever participants learner want to take, they will take. Whoever don't want, they will not take. But I must focus this information in a learner center way, not a teacher way. Then what are the skills to be taught? Some skills should be developed, not only information transfer. And how do my students learn best? How my participants, listener will learn best? They have to do something. Unless and until doing action is not there, some hand action is not there, outcome cannot be increased. Only head should not be focused, but doing something, hand should be focused and heart should be also focused. So can I provide ways to learn for all types of visual, kinesthetic and verbal learners? If you will remember this fact, then you are definitely speaking abilities, teaching abilities, facilitation ability will increase. Because different learning styles are there. Visual learners, somebody learn very fast when visual information is given. So I added the videos. Kinesthetic means movement should be there, motion should be there. Some learners learn with this kinesthetic style, and some learners are also there verbal. If suppose I will not speak and I will just show the video movement and I will tell you without my adding my words, then you may not learn, or verbal learners may not learn. So there has to be care of all these types of learners, then only our teaching will become effective. So what action learning can be there? Action learning, because it has to be active or action learning. Action learning, there is no learning without action. See, there is no learning without action. Means if learners are learning, some action should be there. And no action which is sober and deliberate without learning. So you have to remember this. And action learning means what? Powerful questions. Questioning is the important tool. Then active listening should be there. Sharing and learning is there. Organizers, please see who is doing annotation. Organizer, sharing and learning. Then reflection. We
Yes,
need to
ma'am.
reflect. Somebody are annotating on the slides. You just check it because this
Yeah.
slide. And you can
Okay.
find out the name. And there is an option to find out the name who do annotation. And please remove him or she. So
Okay.
sharing and learning, reflection, I demonstrated you. Some reflection has to be there, because if some speaker go on talking and no thinking is there, then learning may skip, because we cannot catch up fast. So reflection thinking period has to be given. Action, something to do, so time has to be given. And group and individual development means collaborative learning, peer-to-peer learning, because all now participants, how many are there? 66 participants are attending. So everybody's style is different, and we can learn from each other, because you have shown, seen now two participants have given creative feedback, and you have learned, oh, what step you would have used that. So that is learning from others. So group activities are required, and we need to learn from our participants also. So why it is important? Outcome-based education requirement as NBA, it is also given improving quality of teaching and learning. So improving instruction methodology, 25 marks are there. So bright students, weak students, slow learners and advanced learner. Then improving quality of teaching learning, adherence to the academic, it is not there. My students, whether I want my students like this, means what? When the lesson takes 4 hours to get to the point, he is saying lots of copying from slides, teachers who just read straight off the PowerPoint, or the comments like this, what way I want, or why I want my students like this, Ram, Sita, Alex, Dan, like this, all faces, means what? They are saying competition, especially working in team against others, group discussion, practical work, activities are going on. Teacher is actually interested in what they are telling. So like that. So what are the instructional tools? Because we want to make list today. And if we will make list today as per our course content, not generalized list. What is my course content and what tool I will use for my what lesson? What tool I will use for my what unit that we want to make today. So instructional tools, what are the instructional tools? What is in your toolbox? Teaching is like fishing. Teaching is like fishing. If you use different lures for different fish, you use different methods for different learners. So tools are like this. Teacher is like beautiful music, where instructional methods are the instruments. These are instruments, means instructional methods. When played alone, they make sound. What is the meaning of this? Don't use any one method. If Zoom I am using, don't use Zoom only. When played alone, it makes sound. When played together, in tune, rhythm, and feeling has to be there, then it makes amazing music. Listen, if only tuning is there, rhythm is there, and feeling is not there. He is singing, he is playing something, and feelings are different. That will be not a amazing music. So feeling has to be poured in the tuning of rhythm. Then only it will becomes music. So feelings are very important. So what are the tools? We know usually tools are multimedia, computer, internet, LCD, and researchers are saying use very advanced tools. Don't use conventional teaching. Go to highest methodology, innovative methodology to make your teaching effective. So therefore, it is very important that we will see something about the instructional methods, instructional aids. So some instructional aids are pictures, video, YouTube, ICT, computer, models, smart boards. So what are the techniques? See, I am just telling you what are the difference between tools, techniques, methods, methodology, and then we will see what we can use. So what can be technique? So technique can be warm up. I demonstrated you warm up meaning what? Before introducing course outcome, objective and introduction, just jump or just capture the audience interest. So warm ups when the students enter the classroom, how they can focus and have attention on the task. So getting attention is warming, and that is the technique. So that we will see tomorrow in the next teaching plan, how we can make our teaching plan and lesson plan. So warm up and introduction, warm up and then introduction. So what can be warm up techniques? So methodology or techniques, grab the attention to the students, provide interest and motivation factor, set the tone for the class, ask question, tell story, say something, do activity, discussion, be creative. So now let us start inventory of instruction tools and techniques. So here I am just giving you the inventory form I have put up. You can submit your inventory. So just make simple columns in the session starting only. I told you just make 3 columns, 4 columns, tool, techniques, method and methodology. And technique, method, methodology, there is not much difference. That is the perception, and just you can say some little difference can be there, and it can be changed for every person to person. So if I am saying chat box is a tool, then what can be technique? So I use chat box for your reflections. So chat box just cannot be a tool. You have to use that tool in your own way, some different way. So somebody can use chat box for attendance. Somebody can use chat box for feedback. Somebody can use chat box for asking question and answer. But what question and answers? I use it for reflection. Reflection is something different than question and answer. Okay. What was the method? Method was question and answer. Reflection I took by question and answer method. So see the difference between technique and method. Try to understand this. Chat box I use for reflection means it is a what is it is higher cognitive level. Reflection is higher cognitive level, metacognitive level. Metacognitive level means thinking to think, making thinking to think. So reflection chat box, method was question and answer, and methodology was managing opening. So I am opening chat box and then I am going through your responses. So methodology used was managing opening. Sometimes that if co-host is not made, then I have to request organizer. Then organizer will open the chat box and then I can see as a speaker. So methodology will be different for different tools. Zoom is giving a variety of controls in the speaker's hand and in the co-host hand. That is not for other devices. So method was MCQ of using chat box. Just now I showed you what you do in your class. That was MCQ only. Just I wanted to get A, B, C. So MCQ. I used tool chat box. Method was MCQ, not question answer. And methodology was testing options. You texted me. Google form I gave you yesterday, today also. Now number of responses are there. 65 responses I got. I have gone through your responses also. So Google form was there. Method was quiz. And methodology was attaching form in forms. So I have attached now form in the form for the assignment. I am giving you Google form and you will attach your file in that Google form. So methodology was attaching form in form. So you can attach your video file, audio file, Excel file, PDF file and Word file. One file you can attach as an inventory, your assignment. Menti.com was the tool you have seen demonstration. Paul, I am not using pen, paper and scanner. What I just got the picture from Mr. Vijay. He just took the picture of his paper and sent me on the WhatsApp. So pen, paper and scanner. He scanned it that and he showed me. And after the session for revising, I am also expecting that way creating inventory method. So if this would have been physical and not online, I would have asked you to make a group, I would have made a group and I would have asked you to make up the inventory, think what we did in the morning, like that. Now let us see learning by doing exercises. We are working online. So be ready for the next part and tomorrow's session also. For creative responses for inventory, now you have seen 2 participants have given response by WhatsApp, and they are from my previous FDP, so they know the technique. So I think Mr. Vijay had won my certificate from last FDP also. So now see how you will do that. So from earlier session, morning session and today's session of the workshop, write down number of tools. Write down tools which we are using, you are using, I am using, techniques also, strategies and methods also, sent by video, audio, picture. Now you understood by the WhatsApp. Now let us see inventory of games. I am giving you first tool. I am focusing on the games. Then what games we can play. Reflection is also game. We can create it we can take it in a very innovative way, fun way. Reinforcement, that was in a fun way, WhatsApp, because you also enjoyed. Reinforcement can be there. Think, pair and share is the game. Stump your partner, catch-ups, drill and practice. So I will demonstrate or I will tell you some games. So let us see the tool game 1. Game 1 can be sticky notes. If this would have been physical, already I have shown you, this was from last FDP. It was HRD UGC. So I made a group, or participant speaker can make group, you can make groups, and just make the groups and you just give the cheat sticky notes to the participants. And then this can be used in class also. You give sticky notes to the students and make the groups and just start making the points. Suppose I am asking advantages of lamp. So group A has written this advantage, group B, group C. So this way again, if mixing color codes, you can use for different groups. And after sticking the notes, you also revise that points. So that will be wonderful method for revising. So tools is whiteboard and sticky notes, and method is collaborative learning. Why method is collaborative learning here? Because it was good group exercise, because all, suppose these are from one group. So these 3 will discuss together and just reflect, exchange their thoughts, and then they will increase the points. So that was collaborative learning, peer-to-peer learning, working in a group. So game 2 can be think, pair and share. Game 2 can be think, pair and share. So make the audience or students or the participants to select his or her pair. We will not make pair. Let the students select pair and just think and share something. So have students check for other work, brainstorm together, solve problems, and student love together. So let them form the pair. So if I will ask you to make the pair and share something, you should be able to do that. Now another game, playing in the class. So playing games in the class, column and row game. It is my favorite, column and row game. I make the column and I will ask the incandescent lamp. I will ask second row fluorescent tube, third row LED lamp, and just write down advantage, come on the blackboard and see who writes more number of points. So all see the joy, see the rush, and this is while teaching, not after lecture. In the teaching, I just took something and I asked, and just, so that will be revision. See the joy, and also if you will ask question, they will hesitate to answer. Okay, this is game number 4, yes or no game. Just say yes or no. Ask the question, let them see yes or let them see no. So yes will come this side, no will come to that side, and now we can make students to watch. Just watch it. Oh, actually, I think I forgot to make this. Okay. So yes and no game, also students enjoy it. Now game 5, catch-ups. What is this catch-ups? If you are free to have discussion, I can say you are free to have discussion and catch the content. Whatever I have covered, you catch the content. Covered with the same partner. Whatever you shared with your partner, think, pair and share. You just catch him. Whatever I have covered, you just talk with him or she and just catch him up. Because see, if I will select, suppose I am attending session and I will select some another participant and just I will just carrying out discussion. I may not have understood all the tools. I might have skipped some tools, techniques, methodology, but my partner will tell me, and just I can say that I have catched her, I have catched him to come to his level. So catching up means just whatever will be missed out from the audience, from the students, they will catch up. So slow learners will definitely catch. So that these techniques are very good for slow learner, advanced learner. So advanced learner learn fast, and by sharing and by this game, slow learners will catch up the advanced learner. So you can share your dialogues tool method. Now, if I will tell you demonstrate, share and pair, how we will do it? Take your partner, share something, catch him. Think it how you can do it now. Now no WhatsApp, huh? No WhatsApp. You just think. WhatsApp tool you will not use. You think how you will select your partner and how you will share with him or her and how you will catch him. Just I am giving 2-3 minutes, or I will tell stump your partner. Also you can execute all the 3 exercises together. By that time you can think how you can carry out this. Stump your partner, whoever you have selected as your partner, stump your partner, not catching but stump. Just go on asking him question, and he should not be able to answer. Stump. So I will ask related to the session, morning session, and this session I will ask. Suppose I will consider coordinator and I will just do chatting, or I will do with the coordinator and I will ask if you are attending, then I will go on asking question unless and until my partner will not able to give the answer. So stumping, I am successful. I asked the question related to the session covered by Dr. Mangal, but my partner could not share the answer. So I stumped my partner. Ask, write any one question on the content covered. Pause the question to your partner. Did you get answer? I'm giving you 2-3 minutes. Participant, I'm giving you 2-3 minutes just to do this. Select your partner, share something related to the session, catch up him or her to your level, and stump your partner. How you'll do that? You give answer in chat box that you could do, and you could do that thing, share, pair, and catch up the partner and stump the partner. You just give me on chat box that you did that. You give your partner's name. So I will give 2-3 minutes. Because I think actually this session has only 1 hour and question and answer half an hour. But question and answer time I can take. Think how you can select your partner, how you can share with your partner, how you can just make catching him or her, or you will catch. Your partner will catch you. Some point you might have skipped and your partner will make you aware. Okay, bench wise. I just want it now to demonstrate. You have to execute this game. I'm telling you to play game. It doesn't mean that online teaching is passive. Online teaching can be active. I'm telling you to play this game. Think, pair, share, catch up your partner, stump your partner. How? That is the thing, creative. If I will tell you the way, then it's very simple to do it. Think it. I'm making you think. Thinking to think. I could not find my partner. Oh, I will tell you. I'm giving some time. Okay, I will go ahead. I will give some time. I don't want now WhatsApp. I don't now want WhatsApp. I am telling dear participant to select your partner, have sharing with your partner, and just find out the some point which you missed and your partner told you, or your partner missed it and you told that partner, oh, madam took this also. So that was the thing share pair. Then you catched up somebody. Whatever was missed in your partner or in you, your partner help you, peer-to-peer learning could happen. And third game, stump your partner. Now just ask the questions which your partner will not able to answer, and tell me if you will do this exercise. You tell me on the chat that you could do it. Okay. Rotate a wheel with numbers online. Means what? No, it's not required. Actually, Zoom can have breakup facility. Zoom is having room breakup facility, but I am not doing group wise exercise. If I will do group wise exercise, I will definitely make you in the group divide by Zoom partnership, because number of participants are 76. So that is also possible. But I am not taking group wise exercise. Yes, Vijay Koyal, you could do it. I got your reply. Yes, we can do it. No, we cannot. Answer should be yes, we did it. We can do it. Yes, but you do it. My partner Amit, answer by him, resistance and plastic. Okay, Mr. Azim Sutar, can you make answer how you did that to the other participants? You unmute yourself. Mr. Sutar, please unmute yourself and just tell what way you could share your partner with Amit. Answer by him, resistance and plastic. Yes, Mr. Sutar, Azim Sutar. Organizer, can you make Azim Sutar unmute? Chat box answers. I am not in WhatsApp. Here I am not expecting you to use WhatsApp. That is finished. WhatsApp toolbox demo is finished. We are learning inventory of tools and techniques. We must see something beyond multi.com, WhatsApp, or another innovative way. WhatsApp, you just saw how the two persons replied. So WhatsApp, you don't tell me. I will give again link. You can join my WhatsApp group. But now I'm not expecting WhatsApp. I just want to make you share, stump, catch your partner without WhatsApp. Let us, I am going ahead. I will answer in question and answers here, how it was possible, or Mr. Sutar can speak how he made. So now let us see another game. 7 will be riddle. So just make the students to form the riddle on the topic. See, what is the riddle? Current ko roke wo hai hum. वोल्टेज को भी ड्रॉप करे इतना है दम. आप ही बताओ कौन हूं मैं. So that way riddles can be made and students can be made to think to answer. Then another game can be dumb sharas, just mimicry style. Let the students do mimicry or dumb sharas. Let the other students get answer. See now how they are responding. See the joy. So here I think I forgot to give correct links. So that I will show in next session. I just forgot to add video links. So game 9, treasure hunt. So what is this treasure hunt related to my subject? I just told my students conducting material, resistive materials, and just go in the lab and find out some equipment made up of resistance, made up of conductors. So treasure hunt. Properties will be taken. I told you the name conductor resistor, but it will be not so simple. It will be property wise. That resistance is this. Conductance is this. And then they have to hunt the devices. So this is treasure and hunt game. So planning is of course required to play all this. Now what can be techniques? So you got it now. Game tools very nicely understood, I hope. Then technique for the lesson can be hook. The playing game in my class, think, share, pair, stump your partner, catch up your partner can be my hook. What is my hook? So hook means have the lesson structure. In the lesson structure, have the hook with the tool game. So having hook is the technique, game is the tool. So is it something to think about how I can increase engagement of my session? What is going to engage your students straight away? Is it something to think about? Is it something they need to write? Is there something need to discuss, play? So technique can be retention and memorization. This is very my favorite technique, retention and memorization. I will just tell students, see students, I am now telling you the construction parts of the fluorescent tube, advantages and limitations. You have to write down the points in what way you will extend construction, advantages, disadvantages. And I will see who will be scorer, whose points of benefits and limitations will be higher. Be ready to write down your points. Game starts now and I will start teaching. So here I have made a warm up, attention. I have motivated them to be scorer and I have started teaching benefits of a lamp. Just for simple things I am telling you to understand simple topic, and students will go on writing. He will be able to write down 2 points. He will be able to write down 3 points. Now I am taking sessions. They are also noting down. The way also I told you to write down tools, techniques on your paper. That is what I will ask you at the end. So the same way they will write down. Then I will just go on taking and at the end or in tomorrow's, not in tomorrow's session, in the end I will ask you. Now, what is the score of advantages of fluorescent tube? Ask. Somebody will say 3, somebody will say 4. I will say anybody more than 4, then 5. Oh, anybody more than 5? No. So who is 5? Stand up. And then I will ask him or her how you could able to grasp or capture the 5 benefits are there. And this can be played like that. After telling, I will give some time to note down benefits and they will just revise what I talk, and after they will note down, pen down. May not be simultaneous, might be afterwards, both way it can be. And then they will start writing points. I will give 5 minutes, 10 minutes, like I gave you time for playing game. So then I will ask, oh, suppose she has won the 5 friends. I will ask, oh, why another 2 points or 3 points? Then the students tell themselves how they capture the points, how they memorize, how they retain the points. And these skills are learning very nicely, not for the other students, but for me also. So we can learn from the students. Students are using number of techniques to remember and retain also. And then I will make that students to share the techniques with other students. And this can be slow learner, advanced learners game. And this way how we can make our students to learn very fast. And the technique what she will share, that will go lifelong with other students, because that technique what she said, immediately I repeat again 5 minutes another topic. Now use the same technique what she used and note down the points and tell me your retention has increased or no. And that way I found students retention increases. So that way we can do, or they can be called on Blackboard to write down like that. So depending upon time. So inventory of techniques can be debate, brainstorming, role play, point generation. This is point generation game. Point generation is also scheme. Because if I have taken construction, what can be points of construction of fluorescent tube? Means only one word they have to write down 1 point, like electrode, second color, third powder, fourth length, like that. Point generation. I will not teach like that. The color is like this. I will just be in a smooth flow. And students had generated point length, color, electrode, material, dimensions. So point generation skill, then retention, memorization. So these techniques are very wonderful. Blending of WhatsApp and Zoom, this technique I demonstrated. Online certificate quiz. Quiz cannot be the only simple, but generate the certificate for scorer, first winner, second. Immediately after the quiz, certificate will generate for the first rank, second rank, third rank. I use this Zoom room breakups like that. So these techniques for means bridging curriculum gap. So bridging curriculum gap was safety, I told you, and the students played a social drama in our state electricity board, and they appreciated very much. So this is also, you can see curriculum gap can be bridged like that, and students can be made to do that. Okay, so we'll see how the students will do. So now let us see inventory of tools. Tools can be YouTube, simple to YouTube, product browser and catalogs, industrial, website, Zoom, old scrap objects. We can go in industry and take old scrap objects from them. Industrial VCD, number of industries give us VCD also, that we can show to the students. Now, what can be methodology? So methodology means what way we are taking. I already told you. So methodology can be sticky note, oral, circle, make a circle, then discuss, group wise discussion, written discussion. Means for reflection, I am telling you the methodology. Technique reflection and methodology is like this, Google form, video calls like that. And what can be ways to answer. So that will be different. So peer-to-peer learning, think, pair, share. This is methodology. You can say peer-to-peer learning, and this you can say that technique. So that way there is very little difference. Collaborative learning we need to do. So make groups and make group-wise memory charts. Like suppose inventory, I told you some group-wise inventory, you can make it on the chart. So case studies, simulation. So this can be simple way. Now cooperative learning. This is nothing but share, think, pair, share. It's cooperative learning. Catch up is cooperative learning. Group activities also cooperative learning. Make other students to learn. Then student-centric laboratory methods are also there. In lab also I am conducting number of activities, experiential learning, action learning, all these are methodology, lifelong self-learning, because when we carry out the activities, students learn themselves. Learning materials, we have to also think what can be learning materials. Now here, what is learning material? Only PPT is learning material. Learning material resources can be audio, video form, some video. So I have received your response to show video making. I will try tomorrow. Instructional teaching tools can be from Blackboard, audio, ICT, models, smartboards, nowadays Zoom, Google Form, or Google Classroom. Now, what can be takeaway? Are we ready for the takeaway from this session? What can be takeaway from this session? Transformation of teacher to facilitator. This is not only I am telling, you need to think for teaching plan. Tomorrow is teaching plan. So while making teaching plan, we have to think how we will convert from teacher to facilitator. Then transformation of instructional environment. Think for teaching plan, how we can change our instructional environment. Means from restricted to flexible. From classroom, now we change our environment. So this we change to here. So in online, whether only this is the option, in online also this is option, virtual, breaking up room. So that way we can change our environment. Think in teaching plan, transformation of instruction methodology from teacher center to learner center, transformation of instruction material from notebook to digital form. So we can think in what way instructional materials we can give to the students creatively. Instructional aid, chalkbox to the smartboard to online Zoom. So I have observed if we use this number of techniques, tools, games, the number of benefits are there. We can reduce students' retention problem, recalling problem. We can improve students' understanding, communication, presentation skill, confidence. Number of multiple side-by-side benefits are there. We can reduce students' stress and peer pressure also. And I have implemented all these techniques when I was head in earlier institute, and I could see wonderful achievements in the prizes also. Students own extra, because whatever games we are putting, whatever role play, whatever poster, we can keep it in a game form competition. Like I am saying, you will earn some gift from me, like that. For class also you can do. Then students win for extracurricular activities outside also, inside also. So these are the numbers of participation of students. See how they rose 160 to 400, and you see the year. I used to do this before 10 years, and see the score also. Now prizes own in co-curricular, extracurricular activities. See, prizes own, prizes own from 28 to 82 to 150. Wonderful, miraculous benefits are there. department growth route, because if we teach actively, then students develop on multidimensional aspects and overall departments the growth occurs, not only departments but also institute growth occurs. So reflection 4, outcome, generate and implement inventory. Now you complete your inventory, then instruction plan. Tomorrow we'll see, again we'll see tomorrow how our students can be made to implement this, because students are very passive. Then we'll see the lesson plan also. Assignment 2 will be there, prepare inventory of tools and techniques, so you will share in the my Google form. Assignment 3, appreciating, see I am saying it, appreciating exercise. One best response, I will give certificate of a good exercise. Design a template for instruction plan. Instruction plan, you design some template, innovative way. Upgrade course file index based on this. So let us see that exercises 4, I will skip. So again, I am telling you what way we can do. So I would like to thanks. Now question answers will be there. So you can ask the questions in chat box. Okay. Participant, please ask questions.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, I asked our network administrator to unmute the participants, but he said that right now it is not possible.
Chat box, they can ask me questions.
Yes, yes.
I'm expecting from chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Participant, please ask your questions in the chat box. You can call me at any time after the workshop, ask me your doubts, difficulty. In WhatsApp group you can ask, so that other participants will also benefit. So ask me any doubt. How can we address the differentiation technique in mixed ability classes in online platform? So Mr. Shreyasi is asking, Mrs. I think, how can we address differentiation technique in mixed ability classes? Very good question. Because see, students' ability is different, students' attitude is different, and everybody's vision is different, mission is different. So how we can address this differentiation? See, actually we have to frame our session to satisfy everybody's need. I already told, some are visionary, some are, there are number of things. Some learn sequentially learners are there, suppose, and some global learners are there. In sequential learners, what do they expect? They expect that everything should go in sequentially, and then only they are able to do something. Where global learners expect, they just think, why sequentially? I will just see what is the last PPT, what is the last end of the video, and then I will answer, and then I will solve the problem. So global learners think like that. And then this sequential learner thinks, I will watch video. Suppose online teaching you are asking in online session. Suppose online session is pre-recorded video lecture, suppose. Now I will tell you tomorrow how to make video lecture. So if video lecture I am taking and sequential learners I forgot, or global learners I forgot, then I will just prepare video my own way. And what will happen then? Then advanced learner will think I am talking too small, means slow. Slow learners will think I am talking very fast. So what I have to think, differential need and differentiation between my students. My session I will think, if I will make in a slow way, slow that slow learner can understand. Advanced learner can just make the speed 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. That facility is there. So why to bother for the advanced learner? But if I will make fast thinking, fast learners, then slow learners can, I don't think that they will capture all the things. So that way we can plan our session, means satisfying need of both way, not on the biasing one way, but taking by both way. So that way we can understand differentiation and plan our session. So yes, I will see the question. What is the regenerative process? See, regenerative process means again and again. This is regenerative. Means if you are asking question, you are getting answer. But it doesn't mean to stop here. After getting answers, also generate something. again ask the question. So regeneration means again and again. I will simply say just a Kaizen, apply Kaizen, never stop. Just go on generating, just go on making the closed loop. So many activities and asks are connecting students' involvement. 1 minute, what is this? So many activities and tasks are connecting students involvement, but I found this is difficult in online lecture. I will show you, I am showing you demonstration also in online lecture. Nowadays people attended FDP and they were telling me when I just check out FDP sessions, 2 sessions, 3 sessions, they started saying me online how it is possible, online how it is possible. But we could demonstrate 3 sessions were there, full sessions were there, and participant not only attended, but they just benefited too much. And this they said it was fantastic FDP. Many comments we received, the first FDP ever of all. That was the comment from many participants. So it is not like that online it is difficult. I am demonstrating from the morning. In today's session also I demonstrated. And generally people think online means no interaction can happen. Now if you can, organizer can open the unmute, that is also possible. So online, I don't think any limitations are there, because I took my FDP session for 500 participants and they enjoyed it, interactions also. So I don't think, and question, I can say that you can ask me the question, how then we can cover the portion, because that is the main question always asked, how we can cover portion, how students will do that. That I will tell you. If we will carry out this activity, number of things we will be able to achieve. My bridging curriculum will be covered, content beyond syllabus will be covered, virtual lab will be covered, video lecture will be covered. After attending tomorrow's session, you will come number of tasks, how this can be executed in a very wonderful, better and very simple way. Because if we will plan this effectively, that will save our time, our efforts also, and that will enhance learning outcome also, and number of benefits we will get. You just attend tomorrow's session and I will give you hints how this can be executed very effectively. Means students can be made to do that, and what can be our benefit. I as a teacher, what will be my personal benefit, you can say, in executing this. Because I will tell you one another thing also. If I will plan this activity, this is required effective planning and effective monitoring. That is only requirement. So planning, I have taken one session on planning. I asked my partner Amit. Yes. Sutar, Mr. Ajim Sutar is writing now. How he could share with his partner. I asked my partner Amit out of box the riddle question. He could only answer the resistance and plastic as the answer. I made him stump. But what platform he used? Mr. Azim Sutar, please tell what tool you used. Tool is interested. You tell what tool you use. I will take another question by that time. Mr. Azim Sutar, please answer what tool you use for sharing with Amit. Then Mr. Vijay is asking, how could we convince our management to implement such activities? Very nice question. There is no role of management. See, my management, forget about management. My principal also don't know what way I am taking. And my head also was not knowing what I am using these activities in the class. And I will tell you, there was messages to me also, stop all your activities because these are two activities, and just teach. That used to be remark. But now time has changed. It was there earlier 3-4 years. But now after 3-4 years, time have changed. Now everybody started understanding importance of active dynamic learning and then action learning. And now it has been enforced in NBA. So management, principal, HOD, all they want, you will show them experiential learning, ICT, collaborative learning. And therefore accreditation has enforced 25 marks are there. And if you will not use this, you will not get marks. I don't think management will have opposition for such activities. They are in classroom also. So they are technical activities. I am not telling you to play debate for another topic. I am not telling you to play share a game or just yes or no games, play some another game or crossword game. I am talking about all the technical related to my units, and wonderful course objectives will be achieved. That I will tell you, program outcomes will be achieved, and forget everything. Most important thing will happen, our students multidimensional growth happens. So one student means, I am telling you, I am not doing myself, I am making my students to create video lectures, and student did virtual lab. Student, I will tell you very simple techniques tomorrow. We will not make videos, students will do that. And with that, now my student just now in the lockdown period, after completing his virtual lab, now he just motivated to do course. Now his courses are there on the Udemy platform, and he has started earning in the dollars, you know. And how many participants completed his course? More than 3,000, 4,000 within 1 month, my dear participant, within 1 month. See what a wonderful outcome can be there. And you are generating teachers. My B student to whom I taught, now he is earning in dollars, and his views are more than 3,000 for the course on Udemy. I will give you free password also to complete that course, to make your students also to do that. So that way, main objective is multidimensional development of students. So I think that is most outcome, and no management will just bring opposition. Yes, internal politics will be there. Some things will be there, but we have to stick up. I will tell you my story. My story is very different. So whatever I used to do this, my principal was not knowing, and when my head came to know, she was saying stop it, stop it. Now she also realized the things. And most important thing, I will tell you, my teaching feedback also come down. That is the most important effect. Because when you will make students to do something, okay, they will enjoy, they will. But some students, the learners who are passive learners, they will think it is a burden and pressure, and they will give negative feedback to you, like annotation some participant did. So that way effect is also there. But I don't bother for my teaching feedback also, because after that results declares, and always my results are quantitatively and qualitatively based. And in my life I own too many letters from principal for the best results, my best contribution. Always I am winning awards of the my institute. But some different aspects are there which I don't want to tell on this platform, but surely I will tell you personally if you could ask me. That is for only learning to learn from me, because I spent 29 years of my teaching experience very dedicated. So I will wish you to give something inspiring notes and tips also. So how could we convince our management? I don't think management will not come in between. Politics will come in between. And I will tell you the ways to overcome the politics also. So I am asking Mr. Amit to tell me. Just 1 minute, I will wait for Mr. Azim Sutar, how you shared with your partner Amit. I want to how you shared it, or I will answer you how it would have been possible. I will tell you. Now, when I asked you select your partner, number of choices were there. What choices? First, chat box. See the chat box. In the chat box, we can select any participant. Any participant's name are also there with their login. So you could have select your participant, and you have communicated your chat box to that participant only, and that way you could have started chatting with your partner. So that was possible. Second, I told you, you have WhatsApp. Organizers has made one WhatsApp group to you. Instead of using WhatsApp, numbers are available there, and on the number some participants name also come, and we are not bothered in the names. Just select any number from your WhatsApp group and call him or her. It would have been possible that way. Just calling. I will see one number from the group, and I will call that fellow, and we'll start chatting. Oh, Mr. Dr. Mangal is taking, let us start chat this. And I would have responded. So that way, WhatsApp forget, call, normal mobile call was possible. Mail was also possible. Then this chat box was possible. So creative thinking is very important, and I got the responses in other FDPs. Okay, so that way I wanted to tell. Any question is there? Otherwise, I will stop now. Okay, I am in time. I will wait for 1 minute for your questions. I will request organizers to unmute the participants in question answer series.
Yes, ma'am. We will try tomorrow.
Tomorrow we'll try morning and
Yes.
after.
Yes, ma'am.
Because a participant will not feel it is active.
Yes, ma'am.
We can make it. Okay, so how could we? Okay, any question is there, participant? No question is there. Okay, thank you. We'll meet tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Just submit your assignment in the Google form once again, and in that Google form only WhatsApp link is there. Just try to complete your assignment and try to complete. See, one message was posted 2 days before to fill up the Google form. So it's your in WhatsApp group made by organizer also. So you please open that Google form and there is WhatsApp link. You join that and just ask me other details about the assignment and try to complete assignment today. So tomorrow I will declare the best assignment. Okay. From morning and today's this second session, because we are calling it as a workshop. So let us do some work in the workshop. Okay. Thank you, participant. Okay. Have a good day. We'll meet tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much, and thank you all the attendees. And thank you, ma'am, for the nice and interactive session. Both are the interactive sessions. Okay, and one request from the attendees: please, in the next session, tomorrow's session, first session is 11 a.m. So please join before 10 minutes to 11 a.m. Okay, and
You are
thank you,
telling me or participants?
participants, attendees.
I will request you also to make open, because I was there before 10 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Will keep open, it will be possible, because login time takes a lot of time.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But
Next to also
there is
and
some technical issues in the second
okay.
session.
Okay, participant, please be in join tomorrow in time. And one thing I want to tell you, many have told me that to take a session related to the outcome base. My another 3 days FDP is there, so you can join that FDP, because today I got also additional responses. So outcome based education 3 days FDP is starting from Wednesday, that you can join. Okay, let it this workshop focus on tools and techniques. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, all the participants. Thank you.